Biafra Liberation Army don tell Nigeria Army say make dem come meet dem for inside bush. Say make dem no dey go around people house because dem no dey live for house. Dey dey for forest. Say men dey inside forest. Say make dem come meet dem for there. And make dem come with their full soldiers. And make dem publish the videos of the battle wey dey come with them as well. Things are happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, wetin you dey wait? Oya make you highly go subscribe so that any update wey we will drop you go dey get am back to back. Don't forget to turn your notification bell so that once we drop and boy, you will be the first person to get our update. Things are really happening these days. Would they here they bring you Ogbonge news back to back as it they happen? They say Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. They say Nigeria Army no they lie. Say they too they lie. Say anytime when they fight them come, then they collect woto. Say every time they go they parade innocent people, give them their own gun, make them claim say na they arrest ESN, IPOB. He say na them will be Biafra Liberation Army, now they give them woto, no be ESN or IPOB. And he can't send a very clear message. Say they dey inside forest. Now they are men dey. Say may they come inside forest. Come jam them. May they come with their full soldiers. No be small thing no. Water don't pass Gary. We will go play the video. May you listen from beginning to end by your own self. Then we will come back or continue.
We are not hiding. We are in our land. And Nigeria Army know exactly where we dey. They know exactly where we dey. We are not bogo around where they will tell you say they don't know where they are. They know where we are. They know the village where we dey. They know a very forest where we dey. We dey inside forest. They know. They know the very forest where we do. And some of you think that they don't have video. They don't used to come with camera. You are joking. They do come with their camera. They refuse to show you the video of shame, how them die, how them pack their dead body. That is what make them. They cannot show you so that, you know, you will not lose confidence on them. How can they show you the video of their dead body? How can they show you the video where they are crying like babies? How can they show you such video? They do come with camera. They came with their cameraman. For your information. Or 18, if I'm not mistaken, when they invaded Mother Valley, didn't they show you video of that place? They did. Every attack they launch, they have the coverage. But do you know why they cannot show you? Because it's a very shameful and disgraced coverage. Because they are the one dying. If you see how the Nigerian military will be crying, why they are packing their corpse, in fact, you will know that you don't have any army in Nigeria. Did they have army in Nigeria? No. What did they have in Nigeria? Boko Haram. They repented Boko Haram. Untrained civilian, untrained terrorists, that their only thing they know is to kill innocent, kill civilians. They are not trained. That is why before we go to an attack, we will announce, say, people from this area, stay clear. When we see get there, we will see shout, say, if you are this, lie down. We do our work because we are trained. Trained mentally, physically, spiritually, we are trained. We are trained to deal with our enemies squarely. We know the engagement of war. We know the rule of war or the rule of engagement. We cannot just change to kill innocent people. We don't harm those who does not have harm. Do you get me clear? We don't harm those who does not have harm. So, because we were trained. When you are with harm, That is a direct signal that if we do not kill you, you will kill us. Simple as ABC. That is a direct. That is a rule of engagement. We cannot kill those who does not have harm. We only kill those that are where harm. Because if we fail to kill you, you will kill us. And we will not allow you to kill us. Not ever in our land. And we must defend ourselves. Assuming army came inside our... And you cannot come with weapon. And you expect us not to react. Now, look at these people. Arrange 4 people, gather them, and say these are the, let me use the word, that these are the IPOB criminal terrorists, then catch. Arrange bullets, mama, AK, with, one of them even asked, and why is police emblem or police this thing is wrapping with the bullet in the magazine? Because the police carry their weapon, drop there, say that so that they will convince the idiotic Nigerians. You know, Nigerians are very stupid. They cannot reason. They don't have even brain to reason. Poverty and what will I say, sovereign have really bend their brain to accept every garbage. The same way they used to tell them that monkey swallow money, snake swallow money, even rats enter Aso Rock and take all the document of Buhari and swallow. You know, Nigeria are very stupid. Anything you tell them, they will believe you. Some who manage to know the truth, they will not able to open their mouth because they believe that, I rather not talk than to talk and somebody will come and kill me. So they rather not talk. Look at, when we get gun from our enemy, we stand. We can never use police emblem or police nonsense in our gun. Even though we get that gun from them, we remove everything that has to do with police. Everything that has to do with police, we remove it and change it to our own because it's no longer their own. It belongs to us. And somebody will go and arrest. Nigeria does not have shame. They cannot show you the video of engagement. They cannot show you because it has never favored them. Believe you me, the lady you talk sense, you expect to see shrine because we worship our ancestors. We worship Chukwugika Abiyama through our ancestors. Through our ancestors. Let me explain to you. I want you to know. That is why if them I remain there, then destroy the camp and then claim, you will see temples where we normally worship Chukwugika Abiyama through our ancestors. Because every tree has a root. We do not just come. We have root. And that root can never be forgotten. Even it is written in your slave book, Matthew chapter 1, you begin to read down. It will tell you the generation upon generation upon generation upon generation of your fake Jesus. We are back again. Without them, we couldn't have existed in the first place. So, when somebody come and having said this, I will agree with the girl or the ladies there who say that she was expecting to see more guns, yes, and shrine. Yes, you are correct. 100% correct. 100% correct. You cannot tell me that these 4 people were holding one gun. 4 of them were there holding one gun. If you have captured them, you could have at least, if not many gun, at least one gun. Man, 4 gun. Now, if you did not even see many Facebook, it shall never be well with you. At least, if you did not recover gun, it's supposed to be at least the gun of these people you arrange here. It could have been 4. And then if indeed you enter our camp, destroy as you say, there could have been a shrine. At least you will see one, if not many, one, at least one. Because we do reference our ancestors. We worship God through that forest, then go shoot, then go burn houses. Then go shoot, they will burn houses out of the hunger. Because they cannot, okay. Does this place look like forest? Look it very well. Does this place look like forest? Now, look at, if you look very well, you will see that there are corn and cassava then plant. Then they plant corn and cassava in the forest. Now, this is people houses. They used to about a pillar. Maybe the person just want to build structure. Look at. Very shameful people. Does this place look like forest? Does this place look like forest? They know we are staying in the thick forest. In the forest, we are in the forest. They know exactly where we are, the point you recover. And let's see if it will not be the innocent Biafran that have killed. So for you lady that say they're supposed to have, visual, they have visual. You understand? Nigeria have coverage of every war they encounter with Biafra Liberation Army, but they cannot show you because they always end up losing. I'm telling you the gospel truth. They always end up losing.
Look at the screen, you see that the arms you're seeing have police emblems. So it's a challenge for me. And but let's do it that I say kudos to the police. Okay, but yeah. People need more evidence, more of this, so that others will be scared and know that look.
There is nothing like hide out. We don't have any hiding out place. We have barrack. And they know fully well that we have barrack. And they know where our barrack is located. Tell them to come and see us. Tell them to come there.
Taking coverage of this is giving us pictorial evidence, video evidence. Let's be sure that this is going on. And others will be scared. Okay.
It's laughable, my dear, because Nigeria have visual of every engagement they have with us.
Yes, I've been talking about it. I always wonder. This is 2023. Drone is not one of the most expensive smart devices that the Nigerian army cannot afford. Okay. But these are things that even individuals own. And there are several other smart devices that can capture the scene of an operation, yeah? The first one they did sometime last week, IPOP came out to say, nah, you don't know where we are. You can't find us. That's not even correct. They didn't say anything to that because we were wondering. They said they did one in Anambra.
Listen, young girl. The IPOP, you are still using the same word they use. There is nothing like IPOP. There is nothing like IPOP. IPOP does not have gun. They don't have ham wing. Ma'am, they are not BLA. Stop using the word IPOP to deceive yourself. Stop using that one, and that is one. And BLA does not have the hiding place. And when you say they cannot, what you will be hearing from us is that you cannot see us when you come to fight us. It is only us that will see you because you are the enemy of the land. That doesn't mean that you don't know our barrack. Nigeria Army know where we are, exactly where we are in Okigwe. They know where we are in Osumowo. They know where we are. Ask them, they will tell you. They have visual of where we are. They know exact place where we are. We are inside the forest. They have been coming to bomb. Can you go to bomb where you do not know? Can you go to fight where you do not know, where you do not know the place where the people are? They know where we are. And each time they come, they end up dying. And that is why they cannot show you the video of engagement with Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Force or fighters. Okay? They have. So I'm trying to correct you in case of next time if you...
Okay, my wonderful people. Sebi, you don't watch Amabi. It's a very clear message. You know, this country, where they call Nigeria, they think that we are still in those days where we say lies, intimidation, clap them down. This why Operation Udoka? Why they not find one Operation Tiger or Operation Lion like Operation Python Dance? This Operation Udoka, I not come hear them they sing soldier why I'm not hearing that noise anymore in Southeast. Maybe they should be marching, singing. They will shoot, they go. Because those small boys we carry flag, they don't carry waiting pass with you na carry. And they eat food, we pass food, we wanna they eat now. Because I see them lamenting last time that they giving them beans in the north. In East, you are eating better food now. You eat apple, after running around, you go and eat better apple with egusi soup. But for north, beans, where they miss water, that they give on for there. And those guys, they eat better thing, eat better food. You know? So you guys have to rethink. For your that small girl where you pregnant, we born for you. You guys have to rethink. Tell those masters that sending you people to go and fight Biafra Liberation Army. Tell them that you are not going. Let them go and dialogue with Biafras. Enough is enough. 3.something million people are not. They are human beings. They killed. They render. They close. Let me tell you one thing people don't know. My relative in Nigeria, one of their family closed during the war. One of their nearby family closed during the war. So you left people with pain, think they can forget it. It's unforgettable. The best thing is dialogue with these people. Because if they eventually become like Israel in the midst of you people, you regret any action you everly take against them. This is my message to you today. Hello guys, share this video and also subscribe to this channel for more updates.